Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 5 of saving $6-ish a day. I have $12. I was able to bring 12 again. And I just have to tell a funny story. It's not really that funny because it's kind of embarrassing. But I don't know if you watched the whole thing, but in the first day I was like, there was a paper clip I wanted. And I was like, oh, I don't know, this will no work. It's right there. It's been there the whole time. This is the paperwork. This is the paper clip I wanted to use. I don't know, not that that one isn't cute, but I don't know. That's what I was going for. So we're gonna leave that there because we're gonna start at number 4. You have done well, thank you for your time. Okay, so we are gonna start back here and we are gonna do our roll and see if I can get any money that can help me save for my $1,000 in my 1,000th video freebie that I have on my Ko-fi. I don't think I have it here. It should be in my binder because I'm going to start playing it on Friday nights. And each circle is $10, so I'm going to just start saving, and then when we get to a certain point, I'm just going to take the money out of here, probably at the end of the month. That's kind of my thought. So I just created this after watching Anna at Anna Banana Budgets, where she has the roll your savings every day, and I was like, well, that looks fun, but I kind of liked the idea of like adding money to my dailies because I was bringing in $6 a day. So I brought in my honey dye today. So this is my sparkly honey dot dye that I use in my shark and bee binder day. Really just my bee binder, and then I have my D3. So here's my $12. So let's see what if anything, we're gonna add to this. Oh, I don't know. I feel like that, it went down. I don't know why I rolled again. It was a 1. I'm gonna go with the 1 because that's $11 we get to put into this, which is pretty exciting. All right, so we're gonna add this 1. I am gonna color in my circle to show that I did day 5. And we are gonna put this back in here. And we have $6 in prop coins. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I need 50 more, or $1 more, 50 and $1. So this would be $11 total. I don't know why I'm struggling today. I'm so excited to film this, and now I'm all over the place. So let's see if we can just shove these every so often. They have a lot more now. I can't believe we have almost $12 in here, and now we'll just mix it up like this. Okay. So we have our prop coins. We're going to go to our paper clip, which is on 4. We are in frame. Oh, I need to put my $11 in the bank. That's 11. We haven't had $11. I don't know if I ever have. I feel like 10 was the highest I ever went. All right, so we're at 4. Move the honey dye out of the way. All right, let's go. 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 2. 1 for 6. So I believe today is Wednesday, and tonight Kimmy and I are premiering our Who You Know Wednesday video, where her and I like save together on the same screen. So I'm pretty excited about it. So hopefully you guys check it out. 1 and 2 for 4. I think it's gonna be fun, and Kimmy and I are gonna like premiere it, so we're gonna be on when it goes live so we can chat with everybody. So I think it'll be fun. So as long as I can get everything sorted on my end, it will be tonight. Oh, poor 6. 1, 2, and 3. We have a lot of coins today. And the dashboards and coins come from Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner. You can get it on her Etsy. I will always have it linked in the video. 1, 2, and 3 for 3. 1 for 4. 2 for 5. We still have a bunch. Yes. 1, 2, and 3 for number 6. We have 2 left. The dice heard me, so we're going to put them there, and then we're going to put the paper clip on 2 and start there tomorrow. Maybe. Come on. There we go. Okay, I guess we don't really need that, but it can stay. So look at all this. So we have 25s. All right, we have $1 with 2 50-cents, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, so $2.25 going into number 1. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can finish off this pair of glasses or goggles for that 25. And then we have $2. So each of these are 50 cents. So this is 50 and 1, 50 and 2. And I used the Sharpie because I don't think those work too well on the laminated ones. All right, so 25s go here, and then I'm just going to put the 50s back in a different spot in case we don't use those again. Okay, so we have 2 50s for $1 and then 2 25s for 50 cents. So $1.50 going into number 2. And this one is from Pennies into Possibilities, formerly the Millennial Saver. Look at how cute this mummy is with the little crab. Oh my gosh, so cute. So let's do, we have $1.50. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, and 50. So $1.50 left for that one. Okay, and the 50s. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. That actually landed in the tray. That was pretty impressive. Couldn't do that again if I tried. All right, number 3. 2 50s. All right, so we have 2 50s for $1 and then 25, 50, 75, $1. So $2 going into number 3. This one is one of mine. You can get this on my Ko-fi. So each star is 25 cents. So each little formation is 75 cents. So we have $2 worth. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75, $2. Cute. All right, so 25s go here, 50s go there. All right, number 4. All right, number 4 got 150. So 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75. So $1.75 going into number 4. Oh, we have the super cute one from Save with Judy. So $1.75. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75. All right, I'm going to color these and I'll be right back. There we go. Look how cute that is. All right, so 25s go here, 50 goes back there. We just did that one. All right, number 5, we have 50, $1, and then 25, 50, 75, $1. So $2 going into number 5. Oh, we just needed 25 cents, and we finished this one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Do the final little mitten. This one will save us $5. So now we have $1.75 that we can put into a new one. Let's see. Are these a bundle? Okay, I can do a bundle. Oh, these are from Nicole at Saving Over 50. Each little icon is 25 cents. This is on her Ko-fi. Look at how pretty this is. And she just started memberships, you guys. So she has beautiful things, and she'll always offer free stuff, she said, on her Ko-fi, but she has some memberships that she's offering. So that's $1. And we have $1.75. So I see these three are 75 or 50 cents each. So I'm going to do a couple of these. All right, so that's that. And we have 25 cents. All right, so we started it off with these. So this will save us 3, 6. So it looks like $9 altogether. I guess I'll keep the little paper clip. And that's Nicole at Savings Over 50. Okay, so 25, 50, 50, and 25. All right, number 6, 25. All right, so we have 50, 25, $1, or 75, $1, and then 50 cents. So $1.50 going into number 6. And we needed $1.25. Yay, this is one of mine. This was a freebie for my BFFs in July. So this one we're saving, and then we can do $1.25 to finish this one. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this saved us $4. And it is going to, oh, B. I've already made sure that is known. And we need a new one. So let's get a new one. It's this one. This is from Danny at Craftco Budgets. Christmas vibes. All right, so we are going to do 25 cents, and this will save us $2. So we can do 25. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to move these markers out of the way. And let's see. The quarters can go back into our prop coin spot. So if that was 6 and we had 11, so this should be $5 worth of 50 cents. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Perfect. So I will leave those there for extras. And then now we can go to our bank. So we finished this one for 4 and this one for 5. So we have B binder and shop small. Okay. So $5 for shop small and $1, 2, 3, $4 for the B binder. All right. So let's get out our shop small. We'll start there. Okay, and then the other one is for the B binder. Oops. I love stuffing those right away. All right, so we are going to put, oh, I was looking for that. We are going to put our completed here. And that was day 5. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you can stop by tomorrow and see how everything goes. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.